In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Monday.com. If your inbox is getting flooded by updates you don't need, this walkthrough will help you quickly silence email alerts while keeping your work flowing smoothly. We'll start from inside Monday.com on a regular board. I'm demonstrating this from a board called Trial Management, but you can begin from any board or view you're currently using. First, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click the highlighted profile area. This is typically your avatar or profile picture. That click opens your personal menu, which is where your account settings live. From this menu, look for the highlighted option that takes you to your notification preferences. Clicking it will open your notification settings page, where you can choose exactly how and when Monday.com contacts you. On the notifications page, switch to the email tab. You'll see it clearly labeled. This is important because the change we're making will only affect emails sent to your inbox, not in-app banners or mobile push notifications. Once you're on the email tab, look near the top of the list of notification categories. You'll notice a highlighted control that manages your selections in bulk. Click that control, then choose Select None. The moment you do, all email notification categories will be unchecked. That means you won't receive email alerts for things like item updates, status changes, assignments, or at mentions from your boards. Monday.com typically saves these changes automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. If you glance back at the list, you should see everything deselected, confirming that email notifications are now turned off. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Turning off email notifications here won't affect system-critical emails, such as account or billing communications sent by the service itself. Also, if you later decide you want a lighter touch instead of complete silence, you can return to the same email tab and re-enable only the categories that truly matter to you, like direct mentions or items you own. That way, you reduce noise without missing something important. And that's it. Starting from your board, opening your profile menu, heading into notification settings, selecting the email tab using the highlighted selector, and choosing Select None will fully turn off your Monday.com email notifications. Your inbox should feel a lot calmer right away, and you can always fine-tune these settings whenever your needs change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you focus on what matters most.